This Thursday, June the 6th, France 2, is broadcasting an issue of Envoy Special entirely devoted to Taylor Swift. The opportunity to return to the enormous quarrel which opposed the American singer to the rapper Kanye West. This Thursday, June the 6th, France 2 is broadcasting an issue of Envoy Special entirely devoted to Taylor Swift. The opportunity to return to the enormous quarrel which opposed the American singer to the rapper Kanye West. In almost a decade, she has managed to make her mark on world music history. Taylor Swift, international superstar, has had an exceptional career since her debut. With more than 200 million records sold worldwide, and a multitude of awards, she is one of the most influential artists of her generation. His latest tour, the Eras Tour, broke records, generating over $700 million in profits in just a few months. One thing is certain, Travis Kelce's companion is not only a musical icon, but also an essential figure in contemporary pop culture. The impact of Taylor Swift on the world of the fourth art and pop culture is such that it is the subject of an issue of Envoy Special.
This Thursday, June the 6th, France 2 is broadcasting an issue of Envoy Special entirely